authority he confers over her sons. Whoever honors his father atones for sins. When he prays, he is.
When Herod had died, behold, the angel of the Lord appeared in a dream to Joseph in Egypt and said, Rise, take the child and his mother, and go to the land of Israel.
Nasimulan na natin ngayong taon yung programa natin ng Alpha. Ito ay panimula at mayroon pang susunod na mga programa para ang bawat isa sa atin higit na makilala si Jesus, higit na lumalim ang ating pagsunod sa Kanya.